Asian Games. Okay? So Asian Games 3x3 has always been U23. It's the same this year in Korea. For the Olympic question, no, kung gaano kalaki yung pondo, I can't tell you right now kung magkano kasi infinite siya. The more you spend, sa totoo lang, the better your chances, right? And it's very expensive to enter the competitions and to host events, which is what we need to do. Kaya very thankful rin kami sa Philippine Sports Commission, no, under the leadership of Chairman Gregorio, because without his support for our 3x3 events like the hosting of this Manila stuff, mahirapan talaga tayo dun i-maintain yung current status natin at number 2 right now. So malaking bagay yung government support pagdating sa 3x3 basketball. Tapos siguro yung ibang question kay Coach.
Yeah, for